Home and gun safes come in a lot of different shapes and sizes, but in the end, they're all just metal boxes, right? So does the way a box is put together make a difference? Let's find out. There are a lot of different safe manufacturers out there, and they each have a unique approach to building a safe. But are all safe designs created equal? Today we're going to answer that question and help you understand why some safes are stronger than others. The first thing that's important to understand is that there is no one-piece safe body. If there was, it'd be called a rectangular prism, or a cube of security. Anyway, every safe is built from multiple pieces of steel that are welded together, and what determines the strength of a safe's body is the number of welds. The fewer, the better, oddly enough, as well as the quality of those welds. In all, there are 3 main types of safe body construction: 5-piece bodies, 3-piece bodies, and 2-piece bodies. Let's check them all out. 5-piece bodies are constructed entirely of individual pieces. The top, bottom, left side, right side, and back of the safe are each a separate piece, and each piece has to be welded together.
So many welds.
In this case, more is definitely not going to be better because thieves can sometimes pry or hammer the welds apart, which lets them into your safe. Remember kids, the fewer number of welds, the stronger the safe. Now, you might be asking, if they're not effective, then why do some companies use 5-piece bodies at all? Well, the advantage comes down to resources. These bodies require the least amount of machine assistance to make, and some brands that use this body type actually construct their safes by hand. To achieve a 3-piece body, the manufacturer uses machine power to bend a single piece of steel into 3 sides of the safe. This leaves only 2 other pieces to weld together to complete the safe body. This body type is stronger than a 5-piece, but it's still vulnerable to peeling attacks. Womp, womp. 2-piece body construction is the closest a manufacturer can come to creating a safe from a single piece of steel. This is most commonly done by bending a single piece of steel on the top, bottom, and sides of the safe before welding a separate steel piece on the back. Typically, a 2-piece body is constructed using several automated processes, such as precision robotic welding. This lends a great deal of strength to the safe body, making it capable of withstanding a tremendous amount of punishment, and also makes peeling attacks practically impossible. Is it expensive in terms of startup and operation? Yes, but does it make the superior product? Hell yeah. On a final note, plain and simple, a safe will always require some sort of welding. That's why it's critical that they're high quality welds, specifically continuous welds, and preferably robot made. See, some manufacturers use spot welding or stitch welds where the weld doesn't span the length of the joint, and that's just no good. And there you have it, a quick and dirty guide to safe body construction. Next time you're searching for a new safe, remember to keep an eye on those details. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. It's not like my job depends on it or anything. Stay safe out there, and as always, catch you later.